The Seat of the Soul by Gary. The main learning from the book is that my intention creates my reality, and I can manifest anything in my life through conscious intentions. Intention is what will determine the success. Eventually, you will come to understand that loves heal everything, and love is all there is. Nonsense is that which does not fit into the pre-arranged patterns which we have superimposed on reality. Reality is what we take to be true. Within physical reality, the dynamic of karma is reflected by the third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The person who intends hatred for others experiences the intention of hatred from others. The person who intends love for others experiences the intentions of love from others. You receive from the world what you give to the world. You are a system of light. The frequency of your light depends upon your consciousness. When you shift the level of consciousness, you shift the frequency of your light. If you choose to forgive someone who has wronged you, for example, rather than to hate that person, you shift the frequency of your light. If you choose to feel affection with a person rather than distance or coldness, you shift the frequency of your light. Emotions are currents of energy with different frequencies. Emotions that we think of as negative, such as hatred, envy, and fear, have a lower frequency and less energy than emotions that we think of a positive, such as affection, joy, love, and compassion. When you choose to replace a lower frequency current of energy, such as anger, with a higher frequency current, such as forgiveness, you raise the frequency of light. When you choose to allow higher frequency currents of energy to run through your system, you experience more energy. When person is despairing, for example, or anxious, he or she feels physically depleted because he or she has merged with an energy current of low frequency. A person in this situation becomes heavy and dull, whereas a joyous person abounds with energy and feels buoyant because he or she is running a higher frequency current of energy through his or her system. Creative or loving or caring thoughts invoke high frequency emotions such as appreciation, forgiveness, and joy, and raise the frequency of your system. If your thoughts are thoughts that draw low frequency energy currents to you, your physical and emotional attitude will deteriorate and emotional or physical disease will follow, whereas thoughts that draw higher frequency energy currents to you create physical and emotional health. By choosing your thoughts and by selecting which emotional currents you will release and which you will reinforce, you determine the quality of your life. You determine the effects that will help you and others. Thinking of the universe in terms of light, frequencies, and energies of different frequencies in the term that have become familiar to us through the study of physical light is not merely metaphorical. It is a natural and powerful way to think of the universe because physical light is a reflection of non-physical light. Your aptitude and attitude reflect your intention. If you are angry, fearful, resentful, or vengeful, your intention is to keep people at a distance. The human emotional spectrum can be broken down into two basic elements: love and fear. If you intend to the negative aspects of life, if you choose to focus your attention on the weakness of others, on their faults and shortcomings, you draw to yourself the lower frequencies energy current of disdain, anger, and hatred. If you choose to focus your attention on the strengths of others, on the virtues of others, on that part of others that strives for the highest, you run through your system the higher frequency currents of appreciation, acceptance, and love. The choice of intention is also the choice of karmic path. If you speak or act from anger, for example, you create the karma of anger. If you speak or act with compassion, you create the karma of compassion, and at a different path opens before you.